everybody, how's it going? Greetings from sunny Hollywood, California. I got my very good friend Trey Xavier from the channel Gear Gods here. How's it going, Trey?
What's up? It's going great. How are you doing?
Oh, fantastic. So we've got the
Peavey Invective 120.
And we're gonna unbox it first. Tell us the story here. What's this amp all about, Trey?
So it's the Misha Mansour signature amp, kind of like a 5150 type sound, and then it's got a built-in overdrive and a built-in gate. I don't think it's exactly a 5150. I think it's different. I've only played one very briefly at NAMM, and it sounded pretty different to me. But
interesting.
But not like worlds different, just different.
Okay, so let's crack it open and see what we get here. Okay, so here it is. Here's the Invective, and I'm not even looking at the front panel. You guys are. So what do we get here?
The Peavey Invective is a 120-watt all-tube amp based off the original 5150. It has 3 channels: clean, crunch, and lead. There are 2 boost controls for increasing the guitar signal into the preamp stage, a very common trick in modern metal normally done with overdrive pedals. There's also 2 3-band EQs, channel output volumes, presence and resonance controls, and a built-in gate. The back panel features 2 switchable effects loops, 2 9-volt power outputs to power up your pedals, a simulated speaker output, and a half-power switch. With the crunch and lead channels, I find that cranking the post knob all the way up and controlling the volume with the master knob yields the best results. Now Trey Xavier is going to take us through the different channels.
Of course, the real test of any amp is how well it sounds in a mix. And to help us out on this is John Suki and Jackson Ward from the channel Strata Recording. Check it out. All right, so that's a very brief look at the Peavey Invective. I'm pretty blown away by the versatility. I love that built-in gate. We've got a lot of radio interference in the studio, and honestly, I just absolutely love the fact I can crank that up, and it pretty much takes the problem away. That's really freaking cool. The only caveat I've got on this amp so far, just after playing with it briefly, is the presence knob. Be real careful with it. It's really easy to go way too far with it and just get something super irritating. So dial that in with care. You can check it out at peavey.com and of course at Sweetwater and Toman as well. I'll have some links in the description. And as always, thanks so much for watching the show. And if you haven't subscribed, why not?